Why sleeping with the fan on can be harmful to your health. Have you ever slept with a fan on? It's a common practice, especially during hot summer nights. However, what you may not know is that sleeping with a fan on could be harmful to your health. In this video, we'll explore why sleeping with a fan on can be detrimental to your health and provide you with some tips on how to sleep better. The harmful effects of sleeping with a fan on. Many people believe that sleeping with a fan on can help improve the quality of their sleep by providing a cooling breeze. However, sleeping with a fan on can actually cause more harm than good. Here's why. It can dry out your skin and eyes. When you sleep with a fan on, the constant breeze can dry out your skin and eyes. This can lead to irritation, itchiness, and even eye redness. If you already suffer from dry skin or eyes, sleeping with a fan on can make these conditions even worse. It can cause allergies and sinus problems. Sleeping with a fan on can also cause allergies and sinus problems. The constant blowing of the fan can circulate dust, pollen, and other allergens around the room, making it more difficult for you to breathe. If you suffer from allergies or sinus problems, sleeping with a fan on can exacerbate your symptoms. It can make you sick. Sleeping with a fan on can also make you sick. The constant blowing of the fan can cause your muscles to tense up, leading to stiffness, soreness, and even headaches. Additionally, if the air in your room is already dry, sleeping with a fan on can make it even drier, which can lead to respiratory problems such as asthma. How to sleep better? If you want to sleep better, there are a few things you can do. Adjust your room temperature. Instead of sleeping with a fan on, adjust your room temperature. Set your air conditioning to a comfortable temperature between 24 and 26 degrees Celsius so that you can sleep comfortably. Use a humidifier. If the air in your room is too dry, consider using a humidifier. A humidifier will add moisture to the air, which can help prevent dry skin and eyes, as well as respiratory problems. Keep your room clean. To prevent allergies and sinus problems, keep your room clean. Dust and vacuum regularly, and wash your bedding and curtains frequently. Get a good night's sleep. Getting a good night's sleep is important for your overall health and well-being. Instead of relying on a fan to help you sleep, focus on developing good sleep habits. Go to bed at the same time every night, avoid caffeine and alcohol before bedtime, and create a comfortable sleep environment. Conclusion: sleeping with a fan on may seem like a good idea, but it can actually be harmful to your health. It can dry out your skin and eyes, cause allergies and sinus problems, and even make you sick. Instead of relying on a fan to help you sleep, focus on developing good sleep habits and creating a comfortable sleep environment. By doing so, you'll be able to sleep better and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Did you like the video? Please leave a like and follow us to receive more content. See you next time.